What's good, everybody? So what am I talking about today? I'm not really sure. Okay, yeah, I have a topic. Let's get it. So the topic I want to speak on, it's not originally my topic. It's actually one of my crew members. I've mentioned him on my channel before. I'll link, he talked about this topic. I'll link the video in the description box below. But what it was is that he knew someone that was driving in a bike get together or whatever, meetup, and this person was a motovlogger who had his camera attached to his helmet, and a police stopped him over and told him, "Yo, that's illegal to wear a camera or anything close to that thing attached to your helmet." And when I heard that, I was like, "What? Illegal?" If you think about it, like, motovlogging hasn't really gotten that popular until about maybe 5 to 7 years ago. And so within 5 to 7 years, they've made a law about it. Have you guys seen any like articles saying, "Yo, major accidents happening because so many motorcyclists are motovlogging these days"? It's like, really? That's illegal, police officer? Because here in the state of Texas, I feel like I'm going so slow. Here in the state of Texas, and I'm pretty sure it's most of them, I haven't looked it up, but if you pass the motorcycle course, you are not required by law whatsoever to even wear a helmet. Which is saying something. It's like, yo, if I don't even have to wear a helmet if I'm riding, how is it illegal that if I'm wearing a helmet but something's attached to it, that's illegal? That doesn't make sense. The argument was, the cop said something along the lines that it's unsafe to wear a GoPro attached to your helmet because your helmet won't be able to get its full usefulness if there was an accident. And it's like, huh? Its full usefulness? Like, the helmet won't be as effective if there's a GoPro attached to it. And I'm like, what? Does the GoPro drain the battery of the helmet? Does it deplete the life force of the helmet? It's like, police officer, that doesn't make sense at all. At all. You know what I'm saying? I can understand if you had to cut a hole into the helmet in order to get the GoPro on there, but the helmet is still fully operational with or without something attached to it, and it made no sense. It turns out, yeah, it's not illegal, but so I'm guessing that cop was just trying to give a hard time, or you know, he was fishing for something. I don't know, fishing, because maybe it was ticket day and they have a quota to meet. I don't like riding this back road. But yeah. Have you guys ever been stopped? You know what's funny though? You know what? I have never, ever been stopped by the cops on 2 or 4 wheels. I shouldn't say that because I might jinx it doing that. But yeah, I've never been stopped. I've ran lights accidentally. I've driven on the scooter on the sidewalk purposely, but I've never been caught. Yeah. Can they, question for you, can they use because I got videos on my channel of me doing these things. At least, yeah, a few of these law-breaking things. Could they use that against me in court? They could, right? But what if it's not? Say if I rode on the sidewalk over here. If I rode the sidewalk over here, and I don't know, something bad happened. No one saw it happen. Maybe I ran into the building or something. I caused damage to the building. I deny it. But then they pull up footage of me riding on sidewalks before. They pull up video footage of me riding on sidewalks before, but if it's not the same sidewalk, could they use that as video footage? I mean, as evidence? Maybe if I said, I never ride on sidewalks. I've never rode on sidewalks in my life. You can't say that was me who rode on the sidewalk. Then they probably could use it against me, huh? We are 8 minutes into the video. Shit, do you guys want to go inside with me? I simply don't want to go inside now. The reason why is because last time I was on my scooter, I went into the corner store to get something. And tell me why the dude acted so funny with me. The guy behind the cash register, and one of the customers that was behind me, he was like, maybe it's because you need to take your helmet off. And I'm like, I'm not taking my helmet off to be in here for 5 seconds, taking this helmet, the latch, the string, doing all that. No, here's my money, give me my gas, going about your business. But, you know, he was looking at me like I was ready to rob the place or something. I'm like, it's a motorcycle helmet. Look out your window, pump 2, you can see my scooter. So yeah, so I was kind of frustrated. It's like, dude, have you never seen, and no one has ever came to your establishment, to your little store with the helmet on? Then I'm in all this purple. Not that dudes wouldn't wear purple, but you can see that I'm a female, huh? Unless I'm some kind of hardcore female, I got a pistol in my back pants pocket or something ready just to like set it off. So let's see. I'm gonna have a camera on this time. Will he say anything? It wasn't this store, just to let you know, it wasn't this store. Tiger. Okay, I can't have this music on my channel because they'll be like, oh, copyright. Okay. Hi. Can I have the Long Star lineup? Ooh, it's a lot cooler in here. I never quite understood these pickles over here, you guys. Like red and green pickles. I don't get it. Thank you. Yep, I came in here for some lottery tickets. I don't usually play the lottery, but I had a dream last night. Usually dreams don't really mean exactly what they show, but yeah, I had a dream, so I was like, why not? While I was passing by, I was like, well, there's a corner store, I might as well stop and, you know, get something, you know. Most people think the lottery is a scam. I'm like 100%. What is that? I can't tell what that is. Kind of reminds me of a Honda Rebel. A little bit. It's too much silver on it to be a Honda Rebel. Too much chrome. Oh, he will be turning right in here, huh? Oh, I can't get this into my pocket for some reason. Okay, it's hot. Okay, I gotta get moving. Get in there! Alright, I'm ready. I got the eye of the tiger. You're gonna hear me roar. Oh snap, I'm gonna break my mirrors. I don't have windows, you're gonna break your mirrors. Okay. Huh. I think I spoke on my topic already today. Wasn't a whole lot left. Let me drive closer to it so you can see what that is. It was a Harley. It was a Harley. Most of you guys would be like, I knew it the moment I saw it. Well, guess what? I'm not a motorcycle enthusiast, so I would know it instantly. It was a Harley, though. He was giving me some nice little smiles. I bet he was like, look at her on that tiny little rink-dink of a scooter. It's like, my scooter ain't rink-dink ramen. You know how it is. Yeah, boy, blowing those horns. Okay, I always get lost right here. Is it turn here or turn the next one? Oh man, is it turn here? I'm gonna risk it and keep going straight. Well, I think that's pretty good right there. I'm not really saying much else of today. I like how I end that all the time. Well, I'm not saying much else, so should I hang it up right here? Yeah, so thank you. And thank you for that crew member that I got the topic of the video from. I've mentioned them in my videos before. I think I said that already. Is it here? No. Oh man, I suck at directions. Yeah. And I will see you guys on the flip sides. What does that mean, on the flip sides? Flip side of what? Flip side of life? Flip side of the internet? I don't know what that means, but I will see you guys later. No hands. Okay, stop signs. Oh, okay, you trying to do the most, and you took your hands off the wheel. Is it here? Do I turn here? I don't know. There's a fork in the road. That's a nice house right there. They keep it clean and stuff. Look at that playground. Aw, they got children's. Not children, but children's. They also keep their house very nice. Yeah, landscaping. Yeah, but thank you guys for sticking around, and I will see you guys later. Shauna, no, this is Shauna. Shauna Ramen is out. Deuces. Bye. 2 hands by. 2 hands by. You gotta go fast enough for 2 hands by. Bye. Yeah. Playing with no hands is the core.